So we're in the back garden doing some experiments for Scout Camp, and a few years ago I told you that you should always carry a pencil sharpener in your patrol leader kit to make some tinder, some kindling. So that's using the tinder grader, otherwise known as the pencil sharpener. Then I saw this online using a vegetable peeler. So let's go into the kitchen drawer and try and find a vegetable peeler. But you remember, shh, don't tell who?
Mom.
Don't tell her that we've nicked the vegetable peeler. Let's see how these work and if we get any shavings from this. Right, so these are the pencil sharpener shavings. This is the vegetable peeling shavings. We did a little experiment with a vegetable peeler and a pencil sharpener. Both worked really well. So something different to put in your patrol leaders kit. Maybe if you're doing beavers or squirrels, the vegetable peeler is better because it's got the handle. Or if you're a cub like Thomas or scouts, the pencil sharpener is even better. Which one did you prefer? Pencil sharpener or the vegetable peeler?
Pencil.
There we are. Give it a try.